Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Future Family Night with Mr. Robbie. How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's been doing good. Everyone's having good New Year's as well. All right. Hope everyone's doing good. All right. So today we're gonna have a lot of fun today. So we're gonna be making a winter wonderland out of fake snow. So we also have a secret code in this video as well. So with the secret code, you get to get a free prize at the Iris branch library on off of Iris and Perris Boulevard. And if you tell them the code, they will give you you will get able to print out a free uh, 3D object of your choice. If you ever heard of the 3D printers, they're pretty cool. They get to print out anything that's like, you know, it makes items out of 3D and it comes out perfect. So if I get like ornaments or anything like that. So look for the secret code. How's everyone doing today? All right. So I'm gonna put out the comments in here so I can see it. Hopefully I can see the comments, everybody, today. All right. So how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing good. All right. Let's see. Right. Okay. All right. So I'm going to get started. So what we're going to do? We're going to make fake snow. We're going to use what is it? This is the conditioner, coconut conditioner right here. We also have baking soda. Baking soda we're going to use a lot as well. We got our bowls. If everybody remember last year when we did fake snow about a year ago to celebrate winter, so we're gonna do something like this, but we're gonna be doing it in a do-it-yourself at home project. So everybody have a pan or a tray like this, and we also got like little Christmas trees and little knickknacks like this. So I mean, we got like little fences and you can find kind of things like maybe Dollar Tree, 99-cent store, like Target, maybe even online, Amazon. They sell little knickknacks like that as well. So I got my cup, and I even got my my bowl as well. And just to let you know, I'll be right back. We have craft kits available at all three branch locations in Moreno Valley, and we have plenty of them. So if you want to pick them up, we got lots of craft kits today, and we only have like a polar bear craft that we have out as well. So our theme is the winter, so we got a polar bear craft. So you got the instructions. So everyone check that out, and you're all free. All available to the patrons, to your friends, families. Okay, so let's get started, everybody. Remember, I got a secret code along the video, so you get to hear it. Remember that code, and you can write it down, okay? And you can present it to the Iris Plaza. If you don't know where the address is at, where Iris Plaza Library is at, it's 16170 Perris Boulevard, Suite 3. If you know where, right next to Jitters Coffee. So if you know where Jitters Coffee is at, then we're good to go. So just tell them that you know the code, and they can give you a free 3D printing of your choice, object of your choice. So that's pretty cool, right? All right, so I'm gonna get started here. So I'm gonna get my bowl. We're going to get some baking soda. We're gonna put it in our plate, our bowl. Hope the camera can see it a little bit. I got. There you go. Kind of can see it. And we're going to start adding I got my apron on, so I'm prepared. And I'm going to open this shampoo, or conditioner. Hope you can see it. There you go. We're going to pour it in there. if I can get it to come out. It's been a while. Alright. Whoa. This might be too. Oh, I'm not gonna get it. Give me 1 second. Alright. Thank goodness we have a backup. Alright, so we're going to squeeze this out. We're going to have it oozing in here. Ooh. Smells very coconut. So there you go. So we're going to use our hands. I'm going to try to mix it. Make sure it gets all gulpy. Alright. Now it's like snow. Look, it's snowing. Alright. This is pretty cool. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on the plate, the tray. Put it down like this, and then you can put the rest of it like that. Look at that! I made snow. Isn't that cool? This is where you get your hands all dirty, messy. Who loves to get your hands dirty, right? I do. I'm gonna back up a little bit so you can see it. You can see me better too. Oops. I'm gonna be adding more to this because we have a lot of tray to go through. So, all right. So, getting started here. All right. I'm gonna add more baking soda, like so. And we're going to add more of the. Wait, I got the wrong one. This is the messed up one. So, you know when it's live when I get the wrong one. So I'm gonna spit all of this out. All right. It smells very coconut. So I'm gonna go stir it as well. Go out there. All right. So I'm mixing all the snow. You can see. Who loves to get their hands all really dirty, right? So I'm going to do as much as I can. I'm going to mix it with the other one. And now we're making snow here. Look at that, snowing. All right. So let me get this out of the way. All right, so we got a lot of snow here. And we're going to continue to make some more until I have enough to make a winter wonderland. Who wants to make a winter wonderland, everybody? I know we had a hot day today, but we're still winter. It's winter out there, so it's only temporary that it's hot. So, you know, after this, today should be cooling up a little bit, so we can wear our jackets again, you know, gloves, and go back and play in the snow out in the mountains. All right, look at that. Isn't that cool, everybody? Who loves making snow? All right, snowball. All right, I'm gonna lay this flat right here. I don't know if you can see it. See how this is how it's looking. I'm gonna do at least one more. Wow, look at this. I feel like I've been in Big Bear or mountains. Or in Colorado. Alright, so I'm gonna do one more of these. Alright, so we got to mix it in. Alright. You get your hands all messy and making more snow. This is so cool. I think it's coming out cool. You can see me. And there you go. I'm going to put this down. And I'm going to, I think that should be enough for now. And We got our snow here. If you can see it, there you go. I mean, we made snow in the library. We made snow. So now it's really sticky, messy. So I'm going to wash my hands real quick, and I'll be right back. And I'm gonna add all the decorations. Sorry, I'm about to cut off. Add all the decorations in here, and then we're gonna make it look nice and cool. Okay. All right. Right back. Lucky I have a sink right in here, so that's me a lot better. You can do these kind of crafts at home as well. We have conditioner and baking soda. That's all you need. And you can make this at home. You have like any plastic trays. You have any little decorations left over from Christmas. Before you put them away, you can make your winter wonderland here. So, all right. So my hands are now clean. Let's see. If you're speaking, I'm sorry if I can't see it. I don't know why it's not showing up. So. All right. So. Hopefully I can see comments in here. Okay. Anyway, so now, there you go. I'm going to add little decorations in here. I'm going to have a Christmas tree. See how the Christmas tree is going to go right about here. And look cool. And I'm going to add a fence. Yes, I even got a fence. So you can put the fence in. Ooh, this is looking so nice. But you can see this in person. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? It's like a 3D. We just made snow and trees. I even got a little snowman. I'm gonna add a snowman to my little yard. There you go. And what we're gonna do too, I'm actually gonna make a snowman to go with it. A snowman out of snow I made here. I'm gonna have a little birdhouse. Anybody have it? I'm sure a lot of people have these in their front yards, in their backyards perhaps. So this house is gonna have one right about here in the front. Right there, we're gonna put everything there. And we're gonna add more trees. So there you go. Look at that. Isn't that cool? This is, like I said, this is items you have at home as well. So that is so cool. Okay. All right. So I wish I could see the comments in here. If anybody's there, say hi so I know there's a comment. I can read comments in here. If not, that's okay. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add, why not? We got a little house. We can get a little house in here. So we're going to add the little house. And there you go. With simple items you have at home. I just made a little winter wonderland out in the snow with a house that looks like it has Christmas lights on there still. Holiday lights out there on the house still. The tree, let it snow. So pretty simple. I mean, you can show this to your family, you can show this to your friends, you can show like how cool is that. But yeah, there you go. You made a winter wonderland here. But I'm not done yet because I told you I said I was gonna make a snowman. And this is the snowman I'm going to make. So I need make more baking soda. And we're going to need more. It's a good thing I'm wearing an apron. It is really messy. But it's fun. It's fun. I love doing crafts. Who loves doing crafts? I can make it in snow. I can't see it, but you can make it snow into your little yard. There you go. Look at that. So cool. I'm going to mix the snow. Sorry if I get cut off. I'm trying to be in screen as much as I can. So, alright. So I just made snow, more snow. So I'm going to make, I guess, I'm going to build a snowman. Oops. Even though I have a snowman in here, but I'm going to make another snowman. I'm going to back up a little bit so everyone can see what I'm doing. So hopefully you get to see it. There you go. So I'm going to make a snowman. So all you have to do is make a ball. As much as you can. Might be a little hard, but I'll try. Drag a little ball. And I'm going to put it down here. I'll bring it up and show it to you guys once I'm done, okay? I'm doing the best I can on the snowballs. So, alright. Well, I tried, but well, if you guys do, I know you guys do better because really, I would just like what's better. You can kind of see it like right there. My thumb is at that little ball right there. Sorry, but the resolution's not that great, but we're not done yet. You can also, like I said, you can make it snow. There you go. But yeah, that was awesome. Tree swallowing timber. Well, we have a special guest here coming in. We have our little polar bear craft coming in to the picture. And by the way, the secret code is polar bears. That's right, polar bears is the secret code. Remember this code, and you can take it to the Iris. Tell it to the Iris Plaza library when you walk in there, and they'll give you a free 3D print object of your choice. And they can make it out to you, and it's gonna look cool. If you got one of our ornaments during the Christmas holiday time, and you thought that was cool, and you should see the other stuff they make. So it's so cool. So we got our crafts. We got this craft to pick up at the library, at all three of the Moreno Valley Public Library branches, and you got that little head that little moves. They've got the cute nose, and now he's gonna be right on top of the house. And all in all, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys be safe out there. And so yeah, and in a couple weeks I have another do-it-yourself craft. Keep watching on our Facebook page and our Instagram page. What the projects we have coming up ahead, as well as other programs that we have going on. This is Mr. Robbie. My hands are all icky and messy, but it's fun. All you guys get to do, we're going to add one more tree, and we're going to put it right here, and we're going to show it one more time, everybody. One more time. There you go. And you got the snowman in there. And I'll post a still picture once it's over. So there you go. Got the snowman in there. Went to Wonderland house and the snow. And there you go, everybody. Until then, this is Mr. Robbie. And a late Happy New Year. And we'll see you next time. And have fun. Have fun doing crafts. Keep on crafting, everybody. Until then, everybody, have a good time. And bye.